We are in the United States. Arrived here in Chicago yesterday and on the way to the Midwest, where we're going to make some new videos about the harvest that's going on here. So hopefully we'll see some corn harvest, maybe some soybeans. Yeah, we'll have to see. It's still quite warm around here. So yeah, let's go and see what we can find. Besides agricultural machinery, I'm also a big fan of trucks. But yeah, it's always nice to see the different configurations in trucks and cabs. That's why I have a short stop here. This is where John Deere started his originally blacksmith operation. Unfortunately it's closed at the moment, but this is where he made his first plow blade out of steel. So it's a small historical center where you can see some of the techniques they used back then. So here is actually where it started. Good morning from Hays, Kansas. Finally we got a beautiful day. The last couple of days have been quite wet, so there was not a lot of action going on in the field. You might also see by the look of my car, there's a lot of mud there, driving on the dirt roads. But hey, it changed. Yesterday was already really nice. I think it's good to say that they had a big drought here over the summer. So the crops are really poor and short, but when they're harvesting anyway, so we're going to check them out and see how they run the combines with these crop conditions. So we made it to the field. There are 4 combines here in this field. S760s, John Deere's. They got 1 chaser bin as well. So there are different nationalities here on truck and combine and tractor drivers from the UK, from South Africa, from New Zealand, Romania. So quite an international group, which is always good, I think. So we'll jump in the cab with them and see where they're going. So we've seen a little bit of how they were cutting the corn here in eastern Kansas. But yeah, the crops are really poor. It's really bad. there's hardly any yield. I'm not sure how much there is, but you can see the height of the crop is very low, and yeah, not a lot of grain. They can keep up with one chase bin of 4 combines. Well, normally in corn that's not the case. So this is all dry land. This is not irrigated. Yeah, that's one of the reasons that it's so bad, I guess. And yeah, they hardly had any rain over the summer. So yeah, they finished off this field. They're going to move to the next field, which is about an hour and a half drive from here. We won't be there anymore, but for sure we'll see the machines going out the field here. I hope you enjoyed the video here in Kansas, and stay tuned for new videos coming up.